Today we're taking a look at the Dreame L40s Ultra, a smart vacuum that takes hand-free cleaning to the next level. Not only does it vacuum and mop, but it also cleans itself, making it truly low maintenance. It has an impressive suction power of 19,000 pascals. It pulls dirt, dust, and debris from deep within the carpets while still being gentle and efficient on hard floors. And as a bonus, it has a clever feature called EasyLeap, and this allows it to go over low obstacles. Now the price is on the higher side at $1,099, but when you factor in the convenience and the time that it saves you, the real question is, which color will you get? Taking a quick look at what comes inside the box, inside you'll find everything that you need to set up the smart vacuum. Dreame includes 2 mop pads, an extra dust bag since there's already one pre-installed in the Powerdock, and a multi-tool brush for cleaning the vacuum. They even throw in some cleaning solution to get you started right away. Next up is the base station, now referred to as the Powerdock. This is where the robot vacuum lives and where it comes to automatically recharge and clean itself. Under the lid you'll find 2 water tanks, a clear one where it holds the clean water and a darker one where it automatically collects the dirty water. Behind the front gray cover, there's a cleaning solution tray that automatically refills the robot vacuum for each cleaning cycle. The small tray easily slides out for refills, and it's important to use the recommended branded solution to ensure proper performance and avoid potential malfunctions. Right next to this is a 3.2 liter dust bag that lasts about 2 to 3 months with daily cleaning before it needs replacing. The robot vacuum itself collects dirt and debris in a small dustbin, which then auto empties into the dust bag inside the Powerdock, so you don't have to worry about manually emptying the dustbin, and you won't need to replace the dust bag as often. One of the best features of the Powerdock is the Ace Clean dry board system. It not only washes the mop pads but also dries them automatically. Think of it like a mini car wash for the mops. The same cleaning solution used during mopping is also used to clean the mop pads itself. There are 20 tiny nozzles that spray hot water that reach a temperature of 167 degrees Fahrenheit to break down dirt and grime, which helps minimize odor and residue buildup. After it's done washing the mop pads, it then automatically starts drying them with hot air, and you can even customize the drying time, anywhere from 2, 3, or 4 hours. I have mine set to 3 hours, and so far this has been keeping the mop pads dry. Setting up the L40s Ultra is super simple. Just plug in the Powerdock, download the Dreame app, and scan the QR code on the robot, and that's it. Once powered on, it will do a quick run to map out your home, and what's really nice is that if you move it to a different location, it will automatically recalibrate itself, so you don't have to worry about resetting or remapping everything from scratch. All the Dreame vacuums that I've tested so far have had excellent build quality, and this one is no different. The design feels premium and well put together. I generally received the black version, but this time they sent me the white model with gray accents, and honestly I really like it. It looks clean, modern, and fits perfectly within my office. When it comes to performance, the L40s Ultra doesn't disappoint. This vacuum uses a dual brush roller called the Hyperstream Detangling Dual Brush, I know that's a very long name, which is a mix of rubber and bristles that is highly effective on different floor types, from hardwood to carpet, and as the name suggests, it handles human and pet hair with ease, pushing it straight into the dustbin instead of letting it get tangled up in the roller. The nice thing is that you can choose between vacuum only, mop only, or running both at the same time. When it transitions from hard floors to carpet, the mop pads automatically lift to keep the carpets dry. What's even better is that you can set it to detach the mop pads completely, leaving them behind while vacuuming, and that way there is zero risk of your carpets getting wet. I usually go with the mop after vacuum mode, and this leaves the mop pads behind and focuses on each task individually. While it does take a bit longer for the robot to finish cleaning, I find that this gives the best overall result. The cleaning performance is also boosted by the extended mop pad arm, which slides outwards near corners to reach tight spots, and on top of that, the side brush arm also extends to sweep along edges and pull in debris that will otherwise be missed. To give you a real look at its performance, I set up a quick time lapse of the vacuum cleaning up some crushed cereal that I spread around in this box. I created a 4-foot square area to keep it enclosed, and then I ran it in the vacuum only mode with suction power set to turbo and the route set to standard on a single pass. This way you can see how well it handles a single pass, and as you can see it did a really great job on a single pass, but I would go for a second pass to leave it spotless. I also set up another time lapse on the corner of my office where I have a small mat in front of my door. In this clip you can clearly see the vacuum spend a bit more time on the carpet, and it does an excellent job at picking up all the crumbs, even on a single pass. The suction power is impressive and it really stands out here. One of my favorite features with Dreame vacuums is the mapping. The L40s Ultra mapped out my house accurately on the first run and continues refining the layout each time it goes out to clean, making navigation smooth and efficient, and this has been the case with every Dreame vacuum that I have tested so far. In the Dreame app, you can see a detailed breakdown of each cleaning cycle. It shows the total cleaning time, the size of the area covered, and even highlights any spots it skipped, usually because a door was closed or something large blocked its path. This makes it easy to go back into the app later and send the vacuum directly to the areas that it missed. Another great feature is the obstacle avoidance. It uses LiDAR technology housed on the top section here. So the LiDAR shoots lasers that bounce back from objects at incredible speeds, and this helps create a 3D map of its surrounding. Because of the LiDAR system, it can also avoid obstacles during the nighttime without any light. Now, since the L40s Ultra doesn't have a camera, it won't be able to identify dog feces, so keep that in mind. The LiDAR system on its own is really good, and I'm glad that Dreame continues to use this system. Now, this feature isn't perfect. There are still times when it brushes up against walls or objects and it even moves them while turning. I was a bit surprised to see that this model doesn't include a silicone bumper around the body to help prevent dings and scuffs. On top of its impressive navigation, the EasyLeap feature lets the robot tackle small thresholds with ease. It uses an extra wheel that looks like a shuriken next to the main wheel to gain traction, allowing it to climb over single thresholds up to 0.87 inches or even double layer steps up to 1.57 inches. That means that it can handle small steps and floor transitions without getting stuck, so you're not constantly having to go and pick it up and put it in another room. I don't have these type of floor transitions in my home, but I did notice that it makes it much easier for it to climb on thicker carpets. Overall, the Dreame L40s Ultra is a strong contender. The mapping and obstacle avoidance work well, and it does a great job at reaching into corners and along edges while being able to climb over small thresholds to get into other rooms. If you're looking to save a couple hours from sweeping and mopping, I definitely recommend checking this out. It frees up your time for things that you actually enjoy doing. I will drop the link in the description for you to check out and any discount codes available. Alright, so that does it for today's video. Thank you all for watching, and don't forget to drop a like and subscribe for more tech related content, and I will talk to you on the next one.